households in Delhi consume the same amount of electricity as a household in Germany.
What, really?
Yeah.
Because of what? Cooling?
For AC, air conditioning, everything. Of course, I'm not counting the heating that's, for instance, that's separately provided.
Okay.
Right? But fact remains that, Delhi is now effectively at a point where it is consuming similar amounts of energy or in that ballpark of a developed country. But at the same time, you will have a village in Purnia, right, in Bihar or West Bengal, where perhaps there's not enough electricity that's going in there for the child in the household to study and to sort of, attain the educational levels that are needed to get them out of poverty, or for that mother to basically cook on a clean flame that will ensure that she and her child aren't exposed to high levels of particulate matter. So there's this massive difference. So all of them need to be raised up. We need to figure out how do we convert the energy that these people are consuming here to the cleanest form that's available. And overall, for instance, as an economy, how do we basically ensure that not so much of food we produce doesn't go to waste? So you go to a Western supermarket, you find that refrigeration is there all the time. For the most part, growing up, we didn't see, mom and pop shops have refrigeration that prevents things from spoilage, right? We also consume stuff that was produced more frequently, but the reality is spoilage is also very high in conditions like India. So if you want to avoid all of this, energy consumption has to go up.
So a lot of your research is about better use of energy.
Better use of energy. As I said, explain the use, reuse and misuse of resources.